Let's take a look at the features and procedures to use a T-bar clamp. The T-bar has two sliding jaws, an adjustable jaw and a tail slide jaw. The adjustable jaw is attached to the screw and can be moved using a handle, and the tail slide jaw moves freely along the bar. It can be held in the required position by locking the pin in one of the holes made along the bar. The T-bar clamp is used while making doors and windows and need to secure the joints. You can also use the T-bar clamp to hold the wooden pieces in place while the adhesive sets in. The procedure to use the T-bar clamp is as follows. After you apply glue and fix the wooden pieces, you need to press them together. Use a wet rag to wipe away any excess glue that may ooze out from between the wood pieces. This will prevent your clamp from getting stuck. Adjust the clamp, opening the jaws close to the requisite size. Turn the handle to retract the jaw. Position the clamp so that the adjustable jaw rests against one piece of wood. Push the tail slide jaw against the other piece of wood. Lock the pin and secure the tail slide jaw in place. Place soft blocks of wood between the workpiece and the jaws to avoid marring your work. Tighten the clamps carefully. Be sure to distribute pressure evenly on the work. Turn the handle attached to the adjustable jaw clockwise to clamp the pieces of wood. Leave it for the adhesive to dry. Remove the clamps. Release the clamped wood by turning the handle on the adjustable jaw anti-clockwise. Let's see the procedure to use the T-bar clamp once again.